Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see another Sephora's Favorites video. This is the Baby Let's Glow Outside Bronze and Glow set. Now this is a $42 set, which is actually a lot of money for what you're getting, though the value is obviously beyond $42, but this one out of every set that I've done so far doesn't really tickle my pickle. I don't know, this is my least favorite Sephora holiday set. The value is really great for what you get, but I wouldn't pay as much money for these products like as they are, and so the value doesn't seem that great to me. I don't know, we'll talk about it in the video. But anyways, if you are enjoying these types of videos, I do have all my holiday videos in a playlist below because I am uploading so many. I know you guys are gonna sit here and watch all of these videos, so that's why I created a playlist so you can pick and choose which video tickles your fancy, which one you are interested in actually seeing. So I'll have the advent calendars, holiday makeup, all these types of videos in my holiday playlist down below. Just check out which one you want to watch. You don't have to watch any, watch whatever you want. I don't care. This is just for whoever is interested and wants to hear my opinion and wants to watch. So let's go ahead and get into it. So if you are enjoying these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So Sephora's Favorites, Baby Let's Glow Outside Bronze and Glow set. So this is $42, which is expensive, but we're going to talk about the products in here and see if it's actually worth your money or not. So what exactly do you get in here? So the first product is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in Perla. So this is a full-size product actually, and it retails for $25. So you're already getting half of the bag value because it's a bag, not a box. So the color is a champagne platinum, so it's not going to be like perfect for all skin tones, but if you do buy this and you have a darker skin tone, or if you receive it as a gift, you could always put it on your eyes and do like a cute little moment there, or possibly I'm pretty sure you could also mix it in with a moisturizer or a primer and have it a luminous like primer. I'm pretty sure you can do that too, but there's pretty good reviews on it. It's 4 stars, so I've never actually like really heard of this product, so I can't tell you if it's good or not, but it's full size and that's coming in the bag. Next up is a Huda Beauty Silk Lip Balm in Blush. So this is going to be a like deluxe sample. The full size version retails for $21. So you're getting 1.8 milliliters of product, and the full size product has 3, so you get about half the size. So really about $10 is how much the value would be there for that lip balm. And I do think the color is really pretty too. Next up from ALLURE Mercier, this is the Caviar Stick in Rose Gold. Now I love me a stick shadow. I wear them all of the time. I really like them. Now the problem that I have with this is that ALLURE Mercier wants you guys to buy this for $29 on a normal day, and I would pay at most, depending on the formula, $18, but that's for me luxury price. I would pay like $12 for a shadow stick because let's be real, they don't cost that much to make. So this is why ALLURE Mercier's makeup is going into TJ Maxx, because she asks way too much money for her stuff. Though I do have to say I have lots of products from her that I absolutely love, but $29 for a shadow stick, honey, you are crazy. But if you get in a Sephora favorite bag, you can say, ooh, look, I have a $29 ALLURE Mercier shadow stick. So I mean, you can gloat about it, but that's a great value for the bag. But personally though, I would never pay that much money. So that pays for the bag itself with the other product from Anastasia. Great. Next from Nars is the Bronzer Blush BOTF Duo in Orgasm / Laguna. So you're going to get the famed, loved Orgasm Blush and then a bronzer and a duo. So it's going to be like about this big. It's not a very big one, but I mean, it still will take a while to go through it. Like, you're not going to hit pan very, like, fast. It's going to be a while before you hit pan. So, I mean, you're still getting a good deal. And the mini travel size that's going to be coming in here retails for $24. So, I mean, it's a good value there. But I don't know, this is just not my favorite set. Like, the products don't speak to me on another level. Like, 2 of the other sets do that I'm 100% purchasing. But anyways, let's move on. The Milk Makeup Flex Highlighter in Lit. So this is just a little baby sample, and I want to say that I've had something like this, but it was a different product, and it was a sample size, and it was about that big. Like, it was itty bitty, and you kind of like spun it up and put it on your face, so just know that it's going to be an itty bitty little guy. Next up, the Sephora Collection Colorful Eyeshadow in Twinkle Twinkle. So you're just going to get a single eyeshadow, which is a full-size product, and it retails for $9. Now, that's where I'm like, the value kind of sucks because you have that itty bitty little sample from Milk Makeup, just a single Sephora Collection eyeshadow, which, you know, it's the Sephora brand. It's not even like a really great brand, even though I'm like, it's a Sephora brand, but you know, it's not like luxury brand, okay? Okay. You know what I'm saying. If you were to look at those 2 products and you were just looking at the Liquid Glow, Laura Mercier, and the Nars, I feel like those 3 kind of make it the $42 value, and the other ones are just kind of like womp. But overall, I feel like the set should have been like, I feel like, I don't know, $29? Because when you look at the value of all the other sets that they have that I've talked about, the value is astronomical, and this one, I don't know. I feel like, I don't know how to explain it. Do you guys know what I'm trying to say? Like, the value just doesn't seem to be as good there for the $42, especially because that stick, Laura Mercier stick for $29 as a value to like make it seem like you're getting such a good deal. I wouldn't even pay that much money for that, like, at all. And I mean, the Liquid Glow is cool. I mean, maybe it is worth the $42, but I don't know. I guess it's just not speaking to me. Let me know if this set speaks to you. Just let me know. So there's 6 products in here for $42. So you're paying $7 per product, which when you think about it, it doesn't seem that bad, because if you were to look at it as the colorful eyeshadow from Sephora, it retails for $9 and you'd be paying $7. Well, okay, well when you break it down like that, it does seem like a good deal. $7 per product, $7 for the stick, $7 for the bronzer duo and blush duo, $7 for the Anastasia. But I would be really mad to pay the $7 for the Milk Stick and the Huda lip balm, whatever it's called. What is that called again? Yeah, the lip balm. But when you break it down into price, it doesn't seem that bad. So price-wise overall, it doesn't seem that bad, but when you're looking at it as an overall value and what you're getting, it just doesn't seem like it's the best. That one's not my favorite. This Sephora favorite is not my favorite. It's like the last on the list out of all of them, but that's just my opinion. You might really, really like these products, and I say go for it. Good for you. But I still think this would make a really, really great Christmas gift nonetheless. Like, it really would. Just to me, this is like my least favorite one. I don't know why. I guess it's just the products and knowing the value, and you know, I don't know how to explain it. I'm sorry. But anyways, that is this video. That is it. We're done. I hope that you enjoyed and you understood what I'm trying to say, because I can't seem to figure out the words to say on how I feel about this. But anyways, please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below. As always, don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.